morning, guys. Happy Monday. Today is July 9th and I am bumping my table. And I decided that I wanted to film a day in the life video for you guys. So this isn't just necessarily an Etsy day in the life video, although I will be doing some Etsy related stuff because I have to work today. But I just wanted to film like a day in the life, like a true day in the life. I personally really love watching these videos, and I also just get sick of the you have to be perfect on YouTube, because I'm not perfect. This is how I woke up. I just went on a 30-minute walk with my dog, so I got my exercise in for the day, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. I need to make some breakfast because I'm hungry, and then I'm gonna go shower and get ready for the day. But I wanted to go ahead and start off this vlog. But first, breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and make breakfast and I will show you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, so it's been kind of a crazy, out of routine morning. I've been on the phone. I talked to my mom for a little while, like way longer than I planned, but I love talking to her, so it's like, it's okay. I just wasn't planning on talking to her for like an hour, and then one of my friends called, so I was talking to her for an hour. So I kind of showed you my breakfast and what I made, but I had sausage, an egg, and a potato, and then I had some tea, and now I am cutting stickers. I showed you these little freebies that I'm cutting for another shop, and so I'm excited about that, but I need to get it done and in the mail today. So I still have like 13 sheets to cut, and I'm only using my top cutter because this one was having issues. So, you know, drama. But that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm disgusting. I have not showered yet because I was on the phone, and it is 11:25, so I really need to shower so I can feel better about my life and put on some clean clothes. And you know, this is real life. But that's what I wanted to show you guys, my real day in the life, what I do every day. Sometimes this is it. Sometimes I don't get to shower until like noon, but that's okay. It's real life. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay guys, I have somewhat gotten ready. My hair, whatever. I'm not even gonna worry about it because this is a day in the life. And some days my hair looks like that. So I just finished getting ready for the day. I mean, I didn't do my hair, but you know. Now I'm going to have some lunch because I'm starting to get really hungry. It's already 12 and I'm starving. So I think that I'm going to have some leftovers. Let me show you guys. In here is a pork tenderloin. I'm not gonna have the whole thing. And it has like a cherry vinegar sauce on it. It's really, really good. I'm gonna link the recipe down below because it's so good. So I'm gonna have that. And then I think I'm going to make some broccoli. Okay guys, I know the presentation's not the greatest, but we have some broccoli that I just kind of fried up in the pan. I wouldn't really call it fried, but you know, it is kind of, I guess. Then we have some pork tenderloin, thebomb.com. So I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna continue working. I really need to clean. Ugh, it's driving me crazy. But as you can see, I've just been cutting all these freebies. I still have so many to do. Guys, it's like a never-ending thing. Random subject change. This book is, so far it's amazing. I've only read the first 2 chapters, but it's so inspiring, motivating, whatever. I don't even know the right word for this, but this book is pretty awesome. And I'm not a big book person. Like, I really don't read a lot, but this book, guys, go get it. I'm still working on the samplers. I'm about halfway done with them. Yay. And I'm actually going to design the mystery kit freebie. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to do a mystery kit every month, but the freebie for the month before that goes out in every order is going to be a little sneak of the mystery kit. So I'm really excited about that. I've got to design it, get all that finalized, and then like I said, I need to finish the orders. I just have like a lot to do today. And it doesn't all have to be done today, but I do try to get everything done, like be on top of stuff. But Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I don't feel great right now. I feel like really tired and like, but I have to get these samplers done today. Like that has to be done today. So, cause she needs them by Friday. And so I've got to get them done. I'm kind of stressed out about it. Let's be real. Kind of stressed out about it. But at the same time, I'm like not as stressed out. I have like 9 more sheets to cut. This would go a lot faster if I could use my other 2 cutters, but the one, James has to like completely do a whole factory reset or something on it because it will not calibrate at all. I don't know why. And then this one, I just really need to put a new blade in, and it probably won't cut perfectly. I've been having some issues with that one cutting like just these little icons, if you can see them. Focus on that, not on my face. It's been like having a hard time in cutting them. I don't know why. So I mean, it's like it needs to be calibrated again, but James is gonna do both of these 2 together or something, I don't know. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Guys, I finished all the samplers. There's 101 because I actually sent one to the shop owner, and I'm gonna pick out a couple of sheets from here to include just as a thank you for allowing me to be part of this. And then I also started to fill out my planner. I think I'm gonna do a plan as I go style, so that way I don't have to like pre-plan stuff and like stuff not happen, because it's seriously the worst. Not the worst, but like it's really annoying when like you kind of pre-plan and like, I don't know, like it just is annoying. So I want to have like a full spread where everything is actually what happened for the day. Guys, excuse the dishwasher that's going. Made some dinner, made some meatloaf, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Ta-da! It's gonna be so good. Normally I'd put it in a pan, but we didn't actually have a pan for meatloaf. We need to get one. So that is what it looks like. But it's gonna be good. Guess who came home? So yeah. And then we have Dixie eating her rawhide. Fun stuff. So now I'm gonna chill for a little bit because I've been busy all day. Go, 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 go. And I wanna hang out with this one. Gonna pick your nose. So yeah, I will show you guys when dinner is done. I feel like this has been like a what I eat in a day video because I've literally shown you everything that I've been eating today. Whatever. Okay guys, meatloaf is done. I didn't get a chance to film it before someone cut into it.
Well, you didn't say you were gonna film it.
I told them, I just didn't tell you, I don't think. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And then this is the leftover sauce stuff that we made, that you had to put it on halfway through, and then you saved a little extra, and it was like your dipping sauce, I don't know. Now we're cooking up some broccoli. Guys, Dixie found a fly and is seriously chasing it all over the apartment. It's so funny. Dixie, can you find it? Where did it go? It's in the bedroom? Yeah. I was cracking up laughing. She's chasing it all over the apartment. She almost caught it. Like she was jumping up and snapping at it, and she almost caught it. It was so funny. Look, she's still trying to find it. Did you find it? It's up there. She's so funny. Oh my gosh. This is cracking me up. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see this, but there's the fly. There's the Dixie. Who will win? Apparently Dixie, tell him what happened.
So it was in the bedroom, and I was trying to get it to come back out here, and I was like swinging a sock at it. And like I was staying kind of far away, but like it flew into the sock and like hit itself. And so when it came back out here, it was like on the floor. And then Dixie like went to get it, and I'm pretty sure she got it in her mouth, and it was like flying around in her mouth, so she like opened her mouth and it flew out.
Dixie is just like not happy that this is in our apartment. It's so funny. Dixie, did you find a new friend to play with? Dixie, she's so like so into it right now. That's cracking me up. Okay guys, I'm trying to design the freebie for the mystery kit, and I like don't even know what I want to do. So I don't think I'm gonna design that today. I'm like going through trying to find clip art and stuff that I like. I have a couple of ideas, but I don't want to just like make this freebie and then not like, you know, I kind of want to design the kit, then design the freebie. So yeah. So I'm not actually going to show you me designing any stickers tonight because I'm not going to design the freebie tonight. But I am going to go ahead and end the vlog here because I am going to edit this and try to get it up for you guys tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little day in my life for you guys. I'm sorry that it was kind of weird. I felt like it was like all over the place, but I'm just not feeling the greatest today. I think I already mentioned that in the vlog, but I just really don't feel well. So I'm gonna edit this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss my next video. You click that little bell notification and you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys on Thursday with a new video. Bye guys.